Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the use context with destructuring of the elements. We can say that variables or functions, we can destructure them and use them in nested components by using use context concept. Let's get start how to use those. RAFC, it's a snippet for it is going to give template for the arrow function. Then let's create two variables. Let variable is that first one, you can take string or anything, just give test1, or you can give any name. User equals to within double quotes something you can give, and let's take another one, that is any name you can give. Task equals to REACTJS task, and after that you can create one method, that is test method. It is an arrow function within double quotes. You can it's by using arrow function, not the double quotes. Here we'll return that some kind of header type of values. Here this is testing function, which is in the parent. Then here Alt Shift F, if you use that, then we'll use that declaring export, declare that user context equals to create context, CREAT, create context. It's a method. Then Alt Shift F, then we'll we need to pass that const here. Then once if you ready with this, we need to use this user context to provide here control V dot capital P provider. Within this we need to pass the values. Value equals to double curly brackets. Within that you can pass the first user variable, task variable, comma test variable. It's not a variable, it's a method. Okay, then within this you need to call the, we need to pass this component 3, component 4, RAFCE. Simply get this component 3 here, component 3, then go to component 3. If you want, give this component 3 as usual, and you can give some other kind of calling component 4 also here. RAFC is going to give us a snippet, and here Alt Shift F, let's use this one more div, Control C, Control V, and within this we'll follow that React fragment, move down it to down, Alt Shift F. Here no need to give semicolon, Alt Shift, here already semicolon is there, we need to remove here, Alt Shift F, use this square bracket, it's a parenthesis bracket, and remove the semicolon from here. Alt Shift F. Yeah, then here you can pass that component 4. That's it. Let's verify in the browser. Component 3 4 it is showing from where it is getting. Component 3, this is the component 3, this is the component 4. How it is showing here? We have called this one because of this one only. Now we need to get these values not to this, we'll get the values in this. So we need to get this here, not from here. We're going to destructure that const. It is an object format, so just destructure user, and after that what we have in this task, task comma, one more method is there, that is test, and we need to destructure here use context. This is the our concept. Within this we have to get this provider name, who is providing this user context provided. We need to pass that as a parameter here, and we should import this to here. Then only we can use this user task and test in this. Now here we can use, let's add this React fragment and move down it. Control C, Control V 3 kinds we need to display here. First one is user, directly we can use because already destructured. Next one is task, and test is the final one. It is a method. That's it. Now let's verify in the browser this one. Refresh it. See, component 3 is from this one only, and in this we are calling component 4. Oh, within this component 4 what we have? User task test something. If you want remove this from here, no problem, you can remove this component 3. So that means whatever you are doing, that nesting concept, no, that Control Z, that we can achieve. That means whatever variables and methods are there, no, wherever you require, just use this destructuring kind of with use context. This is our provider name. Like this we can get all the things from the parent to any nested components. Those we can display on the browser. Let's verify that. Component 3 Batula is a variable, REACTJS a variable. This method is passing some kind of string. This is some kind of that one. This testing function which is in the parent. Why we are getting semicolon extra here? Let's verify. Here this is an extra one. That's why it is getting, it's gone. So in this way we can get the parent state variables or functions wherever you required. You can simply get it here. Here also directly you can get it. Just declare this one, destructure it. In this also you can receive that. In any nested components we can access those. And at the same time, if you want to use that children also, children, children, these children we can display here also. Control C. What are the children we have? Another div will take. Let's use this in between this, then paste it. Children, what we have in children? What is the children part? I think this component 3 is a children part. So just refresh it. Yeah, component 3 what we have? Component 3 directly it is giving us this component 3. If you have any extra kind of things in this, you will get it. what we have in the JSX part, that is going to coming to this as a children part. In this way we can access children also. Previously it is showing as usually. If you want to display that children, you can display also. If you remove this component control X, nothing is there. Just refresh it, nothing is there. If you use any kind of control Z, component 3, some kind of anything extra JSX part, it is going to display on the in this area. So that's it friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.